Welcome to our tutorial on how to complete your registration of Control Professional. After opening Control Professional, click on Tools and then Registration. The registration entry box will open. In here you'll enter your business information as you supplied to us when you purchased your license. Be sure to use the exact details, taking care with upper and lower casing and any punctuation. Select the number of users you purchased the licensing for. And on the right hand side, click on the Enter Registration ID button. Enter your registration code that was supplied in your confirmation email. Click OK and then OK again. You will receive a message saying thank you for your registration. Click OK and your registration is complete. If you receive the message saying sorry, that is not a valid registration key, this usually means that the registration information you have entered is not compatible with the confirmation email sent to you. If for any reason the information we have registered is incorrect, please contact us and we'll reissue a registration ID to you using the correct business information. In our next tutorial, we'll guide you through setting up the system configuration.